Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to turn off privacy setting on Roblox. Now to do that, what you need to do is open the Roblox application first. And you need to get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you're at the home page, you need to go and tap on the dotted line inside the circle at the bottom right. Tap that. Then over here you scroll down to the setting and tap on setting. In the settings section, you need to go to privacy. Tap on privacy. You'll see the account restriction option. If you have accidentally enabled account restriction on your account, you can only access content that is appropriate for all audience. Additionally, communication setting will be set off. So if you want to disable account restriction, simply you need to tap on the toggle and switch it off. Tap on account restriction or enabled option toggle. Tap that and turn it off. Now you have successfully disabled account restriction on your Roblox account. Now in the communication, the first option is tap on drop down menu and there's default custom off. You can go on the default option, choose as it is, and below you can see who can message me. Tap on the drop down menu and you will find all this option. Now in here you can choose whom you want to receive the message from. There's everyone. If you tap on everyone on Roblox will be able to send message. Then there's option friends, user I follow and my followers. And another is friends and user I follow. Then there's friend and no one. You choose the option that you want. I'm just gonna go with the option friend and leave it. Then the second is who can chat with me in app. Tap on the drop down menu and here you have the option friend no one. You choose your option from here. I'm gonna go choose friend. At the end there's who can chat with me. Tap on the drop down menu and there's two options, everyone, no one. You tap your option and the changes will be updated. So this is how you turn off privacy setting on Roblox. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.